Now let us solve the question number 24, which says that S be the set of all 3x3 matrices A Aij such that the matrix Aij power 3 has rank 1. Define R equal to rank of A such that A belongs to S. Then rank of R equal to. So we have to find out the rank of. So we have then R equal to. So we have to find out R. Okay, R contains which. R contains the rank of A. Okay, R is a set of rank of A where A belongs to S. So first we need to find the rank of A. Okay, we need to check the rank of A. What is given to us? Given to us rank of this matrix is 1. So I am considering this matrix Aij, its cube 3 cross 3. So this is nothing but A11 cube, A12 cube, A13 cube, A21 cube, A22 cube, 23 cube, A31 cube, A32 cube, A33 cube. Okay. Now observe that I am considering this as alpha, beta, gamma, where alpha is the first column vector, beta is the second column vector, gamma is the third column vector. Okay. Now observe that as the rank of this matrix is 1, I can say that column rank is also 1, and again, hence column rank is 1 means it has only one linearly independent column. It means if you choose any two vectors among these three, they will be linearly dependent. Okay, so alpha, beta, this set is linearly dependent. Beta, gamma, this set is again linearly dependent. Alpha, gamma, this set is again linearly dependent. Okay, now alpha, beta is linearly dependent. It means I can write alpha as some multiple of beta, that is C beta, right? Now observe what is alpha. Alpha is the first column vector, so it is A11 cube, A21 cube, A31 cube is equal to the scalar C into beta. Beta means A12 cube, A22 cube, A32 cube, right? So from this I can say that A11 cube is equal to C into A12 cube, A21 cube is equal to C into A22 cube, and A31 cube is equal to C into A32 cube. Now if I from this I can, and hence from this I can say that A11 equal to C to the power 1 by 3, A12, A21 equal to C to the power 1 by 3, A22, A31 equal to C to the power 1 by 3, A32. Okay, I can say it. So as C is a real number and C to the power 1 by 3 must have a real root, so there exists at least one real number. Okay, so from this I can say that A11, A21, A31 is equal to C to the power 1 by 3 into A12, A22, A32. It implies that the first two columns of A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33 is linearly dependent. Okay, as its cube is linearly dependent, it implies these two column is linearly dependent. Okay, similarly I can show that this column and this column is linearly dependent, and this column is linearly dependent, and hence I can say that there exists only one linearly independent column. So the rank of this matrix is 1. So I can say that rank of A is 1 for all A belongs to S. So option D is our correct option. That's all about the question number 20.